Dayton Kane with Nash FM 99.5. How's it going? We are out back of Open Road Harley-Davidson, just off Interstate Highway 41. Typically, these bikes that we're going to walk through are going to be out front when you come in to do demo days. What we're here, Brittany's with me today. Britt's going to talk about different bikes that we have lined out here and kind of how it works when you come in to do a demo. All right, so what do we got going on today?
So this is a 2020 Iron 1200. And first I'd like to acknowledge Dayton, you got your license.
I do.
You don't have a motorcycle yet.
I won't.
So we'd like to make sure we find one that fits. And maybe at the end you'll decide you want to take one for a ride.
All right. Yeah.
So yeah, this was a new model for 2019, blacked out mini apes. So if you want to set it up, you know, straighten it out a little bit, see how the weight feels. Yeah, shredding streets. This is a little higher center of gravity, so we'll have you sit on the next one too if you want to throw the...
You're sitting straight up.
Yeah, yeah. Throw the kickstand down.
Gotta find it.
Beautiful, awesome. Okay. And I gotta say, this outfit looks awesome too. He's got riding boots on.
All right.
We are practicing social distancing in our consults, so we do have an engine guard on this one. It's got LEDs. This is an Iron 883, so if you want to set that up too. So you're a little bit more comfortable with your shoulders lower center of gravity on this one too. You feel the weight difference?
Yes, definitely. I like this one. It feels good.
Cool. So I'm kind of curious. You want to start it up?
Sure.
I want to see what it sounds like.
Let's do it.
That's all part of the thing. Let her charge up there, and then fire away.
All right.
Awesome!
Yeah, that's a good
Very
sound.
cool.
I like that sound.
So those are custom pipes. Sounds like a real Harley. Gets the blood pumping, right?
Yeah, just
Good.
starting it makes it feel
Adrenaline.
good.
You know, and we're takes things nice and slow. We're not all about, you know, just setting you out on the road and saying see you later. We want to make sure we get the right bike, the right fit, and trust us as your experts. We're your concierge. The moment you walk in the door, we want to get you fitted in the right gear and set you up for success out there.
As you can see, I don't know what I'm doing. I took the class, I got my license, but it's been a couple years, so she literally walked me through everything. Here's the key, here's the ignition, you're in neutral, which I do know how to do that. But yes, that's what it's about. This one's a little wider.
Yeah, they call this a Softail Slim. It's got a 107 Milwaukee 8 motor. How's the weight feel though, center of gravity?
I mean, once you get the bike up,
Yeah.
they kind of just, they
Hold
stay
their
up
own.
themselves. Yeah, very nice.
You feeling pretty confident now after sitting on 3 bikes?
Sure, I'm ready to go. Take on the world. That's what it's about.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, so when I come in as a new person looking for a bike, do you kind of ask before I come in what I'm looking for so you can have it set up? Or either way, I can just walk in off the street?
A little bit, you know, we profile. We like to know, you know, your history with the brand, with the sport, what experience level you have. And honestly, some people, they don't know because they're brand new to it. So these are beginner bikes. These are starter models, so to speak. And you can take it as fast or as easy as you want to go.
Okay. Yeah, this is awesome. All right, so Open Road Harley-Davidson, just off Interstate 41 in Fond du Lac. Brittany, their crew, they're here ready for you. They've got clothing you can put on, because I'm sure I'm going to need a jacket to take this for a test ride. And you should do the same. Especially now, you can't go into a lot of crowded places. Getting on a bike, getting outside, riding when it's nice out, I can't think of a better thing to do. So check them out. What's the website?
OpenRoadHD.com.
And that's where we can
Check us
find
out
all
online.
this information.
Yeah, you can find us 24/7. We have a fabulous online store. We've been in the e-commerce world for 7 years, and you know, I've got a wonderful team that is ready to serve you. So please come check us out.
All right, I think it's time to try riding one of these things.
Ooh,
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Look at me, all ready to go. This is Brad. He is a riding coach and the business manager here at Open Road Harley-Davidson. He's going to take me out on a little demo ride, and he and many others in here are ready to do that with you. So make sure you get out here at Open Road Harley-Davidson. Should I jump on?
Go right ahead, throw a leg over.
All right, we're going. Oh yeah.
Let's go.